I got a 2012 Chevrolet Express that I'm gonna change my oil today, and I'll show you guys how to do that. First, I gotta pop the hood, which is right here. Has a picture of the hood on it. The first thing you want to do is make sure this oil cap comes off, because you don't want to take the oil out and then you can't refill it. So just put that right there. I got this is from Rock Auto and this is from AutoZone. So now I got my oil pan with my fill thing. Slide that under. So here's the bottom of everything. So just make sure you have jack stands, and because these are plastic, even if they're metal, they could bend, and it's always good to have extra support. And this is the bottom of the 2012 Chevrolet Express. This is the V6. So the filter is right there, if you can see it, and the drain thing is right there. You see the golden bolt that's on the side. Now I think that's a 14 or a 13 millimeter. So slide this under. Pulling towards you is tightening, and pushing it away from you is loosening. So there's that. You should wear gloves, but I don't wear gloves. I don't know why. Then the drain pan catches everything. And I like to use these to take off the oil filter, and I use that to put it on too, but be careful not to over tighten it. Maybe tighten it with your fingers and just use that to quarter turn, just so it's snug. When you put the new one on though, make sure make sure you put some old oil, just so it reseals up nice. You know, just like that. Make sure it's nice, and then make sure that's clean. Make sure the old oil filter, the plastic, didn't stay on, because you can cross thread these and then you're out of luck once you do that. You gotta get a new oil, new engine piece, unless they can fix it. So just take your time. You know, you're still saving money. They charge you a crazy amount of money nowadays. Just give it a couple tightens until it's nice and firm. You know, not too tight, but not too loose. Probably don't even need to tighten it at all, because the pressure of the engine but I don't want it ever backing out or anything. So kind of snug it up. And that's pretty much it. Pull towards you. You're supposed to use a pressure bar, but I never do. I work on my brakes too. Just make sure everything's snugged up. For the drain plug underneath, you can order some new washers, or last time it was a copper ring and it was getting really squished, so I ordered some plastic rings, and the plastic ones worked. I guess they changed them now. Now they're plastic. But it's the Vortec. This is a 6-cylinder, but I only put 5 quarts of oil, one of these. I never had a problem. You're supposed to put an extra half a quart, but I change my oil every 3,000 miles on the mile. So I guess if you do it every 5,000 or more than 3,000, then that would be a different story. But I like to take care of my vehicles. And that's it. I just put the old into here, and that way you can see how much you lost. You know, maybe you might have problems there. And that's it. Thanks for watching.